you want?
I'll just have a toast, please. Naka-jacket sila, guys. Oh, sobrang ginaw today. How much is this?
I'm get this baby.
How much?
I'm get it.
Thank you. Ako rin nagpalit ng gitagaan. Kwarta. Sana all.
I don't like Paris.
You don't like Paris? Well, we have a big problem there, no?
I'm crying.
You're crying! Show me how to cry, babe. Happy. Show me how to be happy. When you're sad. Happy. Sad. Happy. Sad. Crying. Angry. Happy. I'm Filipino.
Filipina to mommy. I'm Filipino to mommy.
Ano na Pilipino? Filipino.
I'm Filipino.
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 Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Tuesday everyone. It is currently 7:20 ng umaga and you might wonder why I'm so early today. Yes guys, it's only 7:20 and nakabihis na si ate niyo and it's because babalik na tayo ng opisina today. So I'll be working in the office today after 9 long months. Yes guys, it's been 9 months na hindi ako nag-work sa office guys, and yung boss namin, he asked me if I'd like to work in the office today. So since March nung nag-start yung lockdown, we were asked to work from home, and then now that it's starting to, I don't know, we're gaining back a little bit of normality. Yung boss namin gusto niyang bumalik kami sa opisina even like once a week. But then, we still have to follow the protocol. So at the moment, 2 or 3 lang kami pwede sa opisina. So very quiet pa rin sa office. But I think yung gusto lang talaga ng boss namin guys is yung makuha namin ulit yung feeling na mag-work ulit sa office. Kasi we've been working from home for so long. And yeah, so Daddy Mike pala natin ngayon ay nasa gym. So maaga siyang umalis kanina pa talaga siya umalis guys. And it's been raining outside, so it's very cold. Ayan, oh, di ba? Summer na summer sa Australia, umuulan at sobrang ginaw. And then I've got Paris's bag ready. Ayan, so ito yung bag ni Paris for school. So, ito yung buhay ko before ng lockdown, guys. So, I had to wake up early, get myself ready, and then i-ready yung mga gamit ni Paris. And then, I'll wake up Paris now to get her ready. And then, we'll go together to childcare. So, i-drop ko siya. And then, after dropping her off, then, punta ako ng office. Kasi yung childcare ni Paris, hindi malayo sa office namin, guys. Pakita ko lang sa inyo quickly yung ating outfit. So, here's our outfit, guys, for today. Ayan. So, naka-pants tayo. And then, this one here, nakita nyo naman siguro ito, guys. Binili ko online. First time ko tong sinuot. And it looks nice. I really like it. And then, magja-jacket lang tayo, guys, kasi maginaw sa labas. Pinarisan ko lang ng heels na to. And then, handbag of the day. Ayan. Anyways, guys. Gisingin na natin ang ating baby girl para mabihisan na natin. See you soon. Ayan, guys. It's now nearly 8 o'clock and nabihisan na natin ang ating baby girl. Let's say morning!
Morning.
Morning! Ayan, nakapag-ready na rin siya, guys. Kaya ready na yan siya. Alis na kami ngayon. Baka malate pa kami. Okay, see you, tita! Yeah, see you, tita! I love you. See you later, guys! Pasok na ang ating baby girl. Good girl, baby. open? Ay, shush lang. Hab ko man. Andito na ako, guys. Ba't pa walang kuryente? Hala, way suga. Walay, kuryente. Wala ka bayad o kuryente ako magalan, guys. Ay, meron pala, guys. Yung switch doon sa baba, hindi mag-work. Dito sa taas. Oh my Lord. I'm back. Dito ang aking desk. Ayan, guys. Oh. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Oh, I can't believe I'm back. Punta lang muna ako sa cafe na yan, guys. Very close to work ko. I'm hoping na open sila. I think they're open. Just gonna buy my coffee. And yeah, I'll start working. Oh my god, this is so strange, guys. Here's my hot chocolate. Hinihintay ko lang ang aking banana bread. Toasted with butter. And this, oh. Mga office to sila lahat dito, guys. Ayan. Sobrang ganda ng cafe na to, guys. Pwede pang ano dyan, oh, background, Instagram. Hi guys, so just a quick update. It's currently 4:15 ng hapon and andito pa rin ako sa opisina, guys. Yung kasamahan ko dito na isa, nandun siya sa ano, ang tawag din yung hash pads, ayan. So hindi niyo siya maririnig and that's why nakapag-vlog ako kasi wala siya, hindi niya ako maririnig. Kaya ayan, so it's good to be back in the office, guys, kasi tingnan niyo, oh, malaki yung screen, very comfortable yung aking upuan. And yung desk natin is pwedeng itaas, baba. So, if ever na gusto kong, ang tawag ito, if I want to stand up, I can do that. And, yeah, very, ano lang, parang comfortable lang dito mag-work sa office, guys. Yung boss ko pala, nandito siya kaninang umaga, but he left around lunchtime. And then, nung lunchtime, kami ni Chris, pumunta kami sa isang pub. Yung pub is, para siyang ano, guys, restaurant din siya na malapit dito. Nag-lunch kami doon. And then yeah, after that, I think we had to stay there for 1 hour kasi yung steak yung in-order ko. Sobrang tagal, guys, lumabas. And also, maraming tao kaya sobrang busy nila. But yeah, not long from now, I'm gonna go pick up Paris from the childcare. And it's been raining today. Sobrang madilim sa labas. Next week, Wednesday, ako papasok dito sa opisina with my bestie Ron. So, kaming dalawa dito next week ng Wednesday. And si Daddy Mike pala natin, guys, ay nasa bahay. So, ayun, kailangan naming magkahiwalay ngayon, guys. Can I please buy a
Mommy's not
bread?
working. It's not working.
It's not working, is it? Tingnan niyo ang kanilang cashier, guys. Oh, it's blocked na na. Oh, there you go. You have so much money in here, anak. There you go, Baba. Have a look. Okay, push. Oh. Close.
What do you want?
I want some apple, please.
No.
How about...
Something else.
What have you got available there?
Mine. Want to come?
I'll just have a toast, please. Naka-jacket sila, guys. Oh, sobrang ginaw today. How much is this?
I get this present.
How much?
What is it?
Thank you. Ako rin nagpalit ng gitagaan. Kwarta. Sana oil. Tara na. Mama's got something for you in the car.
Mommy, come in the
Good girl, drinking water. Hold it.
No, you hold it.
How about you hold it?
No, here.
Mm-mm-mm.
It's Merry Christmas, Mommy.
It's Merry Christmas.
So Christmas here.
It's Merry Christmas, anak.
Merry Christmas here.
Merry Christmas to you.
Hey!
Merry Merry Christmas to you. Come na, Daddy is waiting at home na.
Yuck!
Papa,
Mommy, yuck up, Mommy.
what is that? What is that?
It's a couple.
It's a Gruffalo, is it?
That's Maggie's face.
Oh, sure. When did you make it?
Yeah.
Well done. That's right. That's you. Say hi, Tita.
Hi, Tita.
Hi, Tito.
Hi, Tito.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Hey,
Say hi, everyone.
hungry.
Are you hungry? Why? We'll go to the shop, okay? We'll get something to eat. We'll get something for Daddy too. Okay? Did you have a good day at school? Huh?
Bye-bye, school.
Bye-bye school. See you tomorrow.
Mommy.
I'm with Mommy now.
Your mommy's here.
Mommy's here. Dito kami sa shops, guys. Bili lang kami ng konting grocery namin. Ang ating baby girl, oh, pagkapasok, alam na alam niya kung saan pupunta. She's not, which one? Bukas na kami magbili ng maraming grocery, guys. Ayan, si Daddy Mike naghihintay na sa bahay. Let's go get bread, anak. That way. You like that one? You gotta get this one. Wholemeal. Huh?
No.
You don't like it? This one is nice for toast.
Okay, Mommy.
You know the drill, Nap. We can't open it without paying it first. Okay?
Open.
We'll open it after we pay it, okay? Okay, let's go. Let's go. We'll get the soup for Daddy and then we'll go home, okay? You can carry it. Finally, I'm home. It's been a long day. Hi, Daddy Mike.
Mommy.
Daddy Mike is not feeling well, guys.
Mommy.
Probably because we had to separate today, Daddy. That's why I'm feeling that way. Na-miss niya ako, guys, kaya hindi maganda yung pakiramdam niya.
Mommy.
Yes, napay ating anak na si Mami-Maming bulingit. Hello, yucky. Yung ilong. Wipe it. Wipe it. Ayan. Daddy Mike has got cold, guys. Kaya hindi na kami magluluto tonight, guys. Tingnan niyo, oh. Hello. Tingnan niyo ang binili ko, guys. Na parang mura nagbahog sa ero. Natambling-tambling na. Tingnan niyo, oh. Sushi. Sushi bento box. Ayan. So, yun yung kakainin natin. Hindi naman kasi talaga ako gutom na gutom, guys. Kasi yung lunch namin kanina, sobrang late na yun siya. And also, malaki yun. Nag-steak ako. Did you have a good day at school? Good job cleaning your nose, anak. And then, while nandun kami sa shop, guys, ito yung mga napamili ko. What is this?
Mommy, I want Didi.
Crackers. Wala, may gusto nang magdidi. Nakakauwi lang natin, nak. Uy! We just got home, anak. Sit down on the couch, ka. Sit down on the couch and we'll have Didi. Mama will show this one quickly. Okay? Ayan, guys. Oh, nagbili tayo nito. And then, we've got bread. So, kunti lang talaga yung binili ko, guys. Mag-grocery shopping kami bukas. Bumili din ako ng soup. Ayan, just in case gusto ni Daddy Mike mag-soup. Kasi nga, ano daw yung lalamunan niya. Masakit yung lalamunan niya ba. And we've got mandarin. And may pichay tayo, guys. Para mag-soup tayo bukas. Hala, tingnan nyo ang ating baby girl ba, oh? Chukilala, bahala ka dyan. So, ayun na, guys. Oh my God. Yan na yung work ko from, office. Daddy, did you miss me today, Daddy?
Yes, so much.
A lot. Oh my God. So, kain muna kami nito, guys. Ayan, tapos, bibihis na tayo para maging komportable na tayo kasi parang gakapukul na ko na niya akong kuan, guys, oh, akong blouse.
Are you happy? You're fine.
Mommy's very sad. Mommy sad, Paris.
Fine, Mommy.
I'm very sad.
You're fine.
I'm,
You're fine now, Mommy.
what did you say?
It's fine now.
I'm fine. But I'm feeling sad.
Mommy?
Nangalunga.
Picking my nose.
Don't pick your nose, Nak. Don't pick your nose. Yay. Do you want to read a book? Come, let's read a book. Quick.
Falling. I'm falling down, Mommy.
Did you fall down? Oh my god.
Oh my God, Paris.
Oh my god, Paris.
It went down here.
Fall down here. Which book would you like to read now?
Mommy,
Yes.
I want to look at Mommy.
Which book would you like to read? This one or the dog?
I want to look
Kasi yun, B. So guys, it's now 8:30 ng gabi and nandito lang kami sa kwarto ni Baby Paris. Hindi pa kami nakapaghilamos or anything. Ayan, nagbihis lang ako ng damit guys para komportable na tayo. You wanna read the dog?
Yes.
Book? Okay. Yung daddy natin ay hindi maganda yung kanyang pakiramdam. Kasi guys, alam niyo yan siya. Di ba may bago na yan siyang bike? Di ba binilhan ko siya pang Christmas gift niya from May. Tapos, ilang araw na ngayon na nagra-ride siya ng bike, nauulanan, tapos pumupunta siya ng gym, martial arts, and whatever. Kaya, ayan. Sinat, anong tawag dyan guys? Uy. Kaya yun. Hindi maganda ang kanyang pakiramdam. Anyways, tomorrow guys, nandito tayo sa bahay. Hindi tayo pupunta ng opisina bukas. But this one still need to go to school. Are you going to school tomorrow?
Yes.
Do you like going to school?
Yes.
Can you tell me your friends at school?
Gaga.
What are their names? What's their names? What's their name ba? Hala, show them Mamu nak and baby Josephine. Show them Mamu.
Wow.
Bulingit kay kanak we'll wash your hands, your face, ha?
Mommy,
Yes, nak.
me.
What is it, nak?
I like me. I don't like Paris.
You don't like Paris? Well, we have a big problem there, anak.
I'm crying.
You're crying. Show me how to cry, babe. Happy. Show me how to be happy. When you're sad. Happy. Sad. Happy. Sad. Crying. Angry. Happy. Sad. Cry.
Angry.
Angry. Magalit ka na ka na?
Crying.
Crying. Do you wanna be an celebrity? Do you wanna be an actress na? Say I'm Filipino.
No.
You say it? I'm Pino. Filipino.
I don't like you.
You don't. What did you say?
I don't like you.
You don't like me? You don't like me?
I don't like Paris. I don't like Paris.
Don't say that, Nak. You should love yourself. Say, I love myself. Say, I love myself. I love. Uy, ayaw lagi pagkulitugan na imong ilong. Hala, there's a worm inside there. Yay. If you put your finger na, worm.
My arm.
What happened to your arm? Oh my gosh, artista.
My arm.
Ikaw nakbe? Artista. Ikaw ba? Artista. Artistahin kang bata ka. Diyos, what's that? What's that, be? Yeah.
No.
You don't like the cut book?
It's just a no.
Yes or no? Huh?
And No.
Yes or no?
Yes and no. Mommy,
I'm
I'm
Filipino.
Filipina to mommy. I'm Filipino to mommy.
Ano niya Pilipino? Filipino.
I'm Filipino.
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 Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina guys nung nandun ako sa office kasi nahihiya ako sa kasama ko guys na si Chris, yung kasama ko sa trabaho at also yung boss ko ay nandun. So ayaw ko naman isipin nila na ano ang tawag dito, hindi ako nagtatrabaho, nag-vlog lang ako, diba? But next week, Wednesday, si Bestie Ron yung kasama ko sa opisina namin guys. So we can do a little bit more vlogging. Kaya nga hindi ko rin na-vlog kanina yung lunch namin guys kasi nahihiya ako. Kaya yun. Anyways, guys, maraming salamat for watching today's video. I know it's boring, guys. Walang masyadong ganap. But, you know, I want to, I don't know, always upload, guys. Kaya yun. Kaya kahit na ganito lang, guys, o at least makita nyo rin si Paris. Kasi meron sa inyo na naghahanap kay Baby Paris. Say, I love you, tita.
Love you, tita.
Love you, tito. Say, thank you for watching. Say thank you for watching. Okay. Maraming salamat guys sa patuloy na panonood ng ating mga videos and also welcome sa ating mga bagong subscribers. I'm really hoping na na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. I try my hardest na hindi masyadong boring. Today kasi guys, wala talaga kasi masyadong ganap today guys. Yun lang, balik ako ng office which is very interesting for me, very exciting for me. Kasi nga diba, I haven't been working in the office for 9 months. Kaya, yun. Anyways, let's just do a quick shout out before natin i-end ang ating vlog guys because we're going to put Paris to bed very soon. You going to school tomorrow, my love? Yes, mommy.
Kaka.
You're strong. What are you doing?
I do it.
Ooh, careful, Baba, ha?
I think you're sure.
You're strong. I know you are strong, honey. Okay. Strong daw siya, guys. Oh. I'm strong. Anyways, mag-shoutout na tayo, guys. Ang first shoutout goes to Freddie Martinez. Shoutout din daw sa kanyang asawa. Jonah May Martinez, Annabel Bulan, at Freddie Martinez Jr. Ayan, hello sa inyo. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Angelica Asuncion, Among Silingan, hello. Shout out to Kisina at iba pa. Shout out to Simply Glay, Hannah Sarumines, Lynn Ahmad, Bashas Vlog. Shout out to Angkik Agustin from Pulumulok, South Cotabato. Lina Levares, Queen Survivor TV. Shout out to Nono, Janzi Pinay, Australia. Shout out to Sally Saminiano, Aroma Tea, Lisel Cataylo, Karen Balida. And also, advance happy birthday sa sister ng ating lovely subscriber na palaging nanonood. Jeran Ambe, sabi niya pag-greet daw sa kanyang sister. Advance happy birthday to Elizabeth Ambe. Hello, B. Advance happy birthday. I'm not too sure kung kailan ko to ma-upload, but advance happy birthday or happy birthday or belated happy birthday to you. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Careful. Bye. Bye, guys. Mwah. Close. Close na.